Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to show you how to emergency land your drone and then how to find your drone without the need for the Find My Drone app. In this demonstration we're going to use the Mavic Mini, but this can relate to any drone. So let's jump into the video and see how we do this. Okay, so we're flying along and something happens that requires an emergency landing. For example, a depleted battery or something similar. You need to get the drone down fast and safely without crashing and somewhere we can recover the drone. Let's jump to the screen to see what we do. What I'm doing in this instance is trying to find a safe landing site that is easily recognisable so I can recover the drone later. Now I could land in the field directly below me, but I don't know the height of the grass or how even the earth is, or even if it's waterlogged. Also, if I do touch down here and I am able to locate this field, it will take me a good few hours of searching to locate the drone. So I spotted an entrance to this main road, and we can see in the distance a roundabout, making it easy to locate by car or by foot. Now we're going to fly towards our landing spot, and we need to tilt the camera down 90 degrees to make sure the drone is directly over the road. What happens is you think you're over the road because of the angle of the camera, but you'll almost certainly be out. If we don't tilt the camera down 90 degrees, we will almost certainly miss our landing. Here you can see we would have ended up in this trench. Now we push forward until the crosshair is directly above where I want to land. Now we hit the return to home button and it brings up your two options, land or return to home. We want to hit land. You don't want to manually land at this point, because if your battery is depleted and we lose signal trying to land, return to home will automatically kick in and the drone will fly back up into the air using precious battery. So as we start to come down, remember to raise the gimbal again just in case there is any obstacles beneath us that may damage it. And there we go, the drone is down fast and safely in a location that is easily located. Okay, so we just landed the Mavic Mini. We've put it on the edge of a new road. What we're going to do now, because we know roughly the location of it, once we're at the site, it should still be there hopefully. We're going to hit the path and go find it. Okay, so we're walking along the road now and I can see the junction that I think that the drone has landed in. Hopefully it's still there. It's taken us about 15 minutes to get here. Just praying that it's still there. Let me turn the camera around and you can view it along with me. Now, I'm pretty certain this is the junction. I landed it at the end of this junction. And yes, I can actually see it. It is still there. Let me turn this way. And without the aid or the need of the Go Find Me app in the Fly app, our drone is found just by using the landmark, one that's identifiable, and there it is. One reclaimed Mavic Mini with no damage. Okay, so there you go. That's how you do an emergency landing of your drone and then recover your drone. Hopefully you got something out of that, and if you enjoyed this video, why not give it a like just down there. And if you want to see further videos from myself, why not subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.